Did you know that Cleopatra's famous snakebite death was actually one of history's greatest lies? Picture this. It's 30 BCE. Egypt's last pharaoh is trapped in her stone tomb with Roman soldiers closing in. Octavian has won. Her empire is finished. But Cleopatra has one final card to play. The story we all know? She hid a deadly asp in a basket of figs and let it bite her. But here's the problem. Egyptian cobras are huge, way too big to hide in fruit baskets, and their bites cause violent, painful deaths. Not the peaceful end Roman writers described. The real truth? Cleopatra used a deadly cocktail of hemlock, wolfsbane, and opium. Roman historians actually documented this mixture, but she spread the romantic snake story instead. Why? Pure genius. By controlling how the people remembered her death, she saved her children's lives and transformed herself from a failed ruler into a tragic romantic hero. 2,000 years later, we still believe her version. Even in death, Cleopatra outsmarted Rome. Now that's the ultimate political masterpiece.